Hi everyone, this is Wade from A&W Online Shopping. I will be selling items at 4 Mile Showplace Flea Market starting in the year 2024. Details will follow as they become available. Stay tuned and follow me for updates. Just to let all of you know that these items on the table may or may not be at the flea market on the sale table. So here are the items: puzzle piece keychains, autism infinity shape Christmas ornament, honeycomb coasters, mental health ribbon coasters, alien head keychains, epoxy resin keychains with the help of a family member. Got those made. Autism infinity symbol keychains. I will be working on making up more items, getting more thrift items. Again, just remember, all of these items are still for sale at the link in the bio, but they may or may not be at the flea market. Like the video, comment on the video, share the video, save it for later, follow me for updates.